Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're diving into an exciting opportunity that's taking the job market by storm in 2024. Social media handling jobs you can do right from the comfort of your own home. The world of social media is booming, and businesses everywhere need talented folks like you to manage their online presence. The best part? You don't need years of experience to get started. That's right, you heard me. Many companies are looking for fresh perspectives and creative minds to take their social media game to the next level. So whether you're a recent grad, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a career change, social media management could be your ticket to a fun, flexible, and rewarding career. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. No more rush hour traffic, no more office politics, just you, your laptop, and the exciting world of social media. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's explore the exciting world of social media management and how you can become a part of it. Okay, so you're interested in this whole social media manager thing, but what does it actually entail? It's more than just scrolling through Instagram all day, I can tell you that. As a social media manager, you're the voice, the brand ambassador, the storyteller for a company or organization. You'll be crafting engaging posts, responding to comments and messages, and building a loyal community around a brand. Think of yourself as the conductor of an online orchestra, bringing together captivating content, strategic planning, and a dash of creativity to create a symphony of social media success. You'll get to wear many hats, from content creator to analyst, strategist to community manager. One day you might be dreaming up a hilarious TikTok video, and the next you're analyzing data to see which posts are resonating most with your audience. Sound like a lot? Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it seems. There are tons of resources and tools available to help you along the way, and you'll be surprised how quickly you pick up the ropes. Ready to trade in your boring old routine for a dynamic and engaging career in social media? Let's keep going. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but I don't have any experience in social media management. And to that I say, no problem. One of the most incredible things about this field is that you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to break in. What matters most is your passion for social media, your creativity, and your willingness to learn and adapt. To give you an idea of what's available, here are some common job titles you might find. Facebook, creating engaging posts, managing groups, and running targeted ad campaigns. Twitter, crafting concise, attention-grabbing tweets and participating in trending conversations. Instagram, designing visually appealing content, using stories and reels and engaging with followers. TikTok, producing short-form video content, following trends and interacting with the community. YouTube, planning and creating video content, optimizing descriptions and responding to comments. Across all platforms, you'll likely be scheduling content using management tools, responding to comments and direct messages, analyzing performance metrics and adjusting strategies, collaborating with influencers and brand partners. There are tons of free online resources, courses, and communities where you can learn the ins and outs of social media management. So what are you waiting for? There's never been a better time to jump into the exciting world of social media management. Okay, we've established that social media management is a hot career path, and you don't need a ton of experience to get started. But where do you actually find these awesome work-from-home opportunities? Well, my friends, let me introduce you to your new best friend. PayingSocialMediaJobs.com. Link in description. This website is a goldmine for anyone looking to break into the world of social media management. They curate listings specifically for remote positions, so you can say goodbye to that dreadful commute and hello to working in your pajamas. What sets Paying Social Media Jobs apart from the rest? For starters, they focus on jobs that offer competitive pay, so you can earn a comfortable living while doing what you love. We're talking $25 to $50 an hour. That's right, folks. You can earn serious dough while being your own boss and setting your own hours. But it's not just about the money, although that's definitely a major perk. Paying Social Media Jobs also provides valuable resources and tips to help you land your dream job. From crafting the perfect resume to acing your interviews, they've got you covered every step of the way. So if you're serious about launching your social media management career, head over to PayingSocialMediaJobs.com and start browsing those listings. Link in description. Thanks for watching, and here's to your new career in social media management. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might be interested in this amazing opportunity.